Hey, what's going on, good people? It's Gardner Douglas, your oyster ninja. Today I'm here to show you how to char grill some oysters. In the background here, you can see I got my offset smoker made by Royal Gourmet. Did a lot of grilling on here. I got my cowboy lump, hardwood lump, and I also got some mesquite blocks, some wood blocks for a little smokiness. I have some Lambert oyster. Let me get in close for this one. Some Lambert oysters from the Eastern Shore. Oh man, these are so fat, so like nice brine to them. They're perfect. So you can see all I have done is just shucked them open and put them on the grill. And this is the beautiful oyster bed with some oysters inside and the Cajun butter seasoning. I just added butter in the seasoning. I mixed it up. You can see the whole video. I'm going to include the link. But let's focus on these guys and let's get some butter and some seasoning on them. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just gonna put oysters on top of the fire so they can cook a little faster, get a little hotter, quicker. And then I'm gonna start putting the butter on. I guess I should be using tongs, but who likes to do things the right way? Not I. So I just got my little Betty Crocker, I think. No, it's not even Betty Crocker, it's like home style. Okay, so I'm gonna add my butter. So I'm just gonna add a little seasoning to it, so it won't be so salty, and just so that butter has something to mix with. Okay, just a little bit. So far this is what we got. They're gonna stay on here a little bit longer, but you know what I did? Because oh man, that one's cracked open too, the one in the shell, so you know that's good and ready. So what I did actually is went and got some cheese because I love cheese, so I'm gonna add some cheese on it also, and then I'm gonna let these finish off, and it should be done in no time. But, you know, you gotta be your own cameraman in this profession. All right, so you get the gist, and I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna add some more to this guy. That's a big one. All right, so we're back. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that looks like magic. Pure magic, abracadabra. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. All right, so oh yeah, I got my white stone hat on. I'm excited, and I can't hold it, but we're gonna try one of each. I'm gonna try one with just the seasoning and butter, and then I'm gonna do another one with the cheese and the seasoning and the butter and everything. Sorry I'm so close, but you know, like I said, you gotta be a cameraman. Oh my gracious, it's so good. It's so good. It's hot, but it's good. Let's try the other one. Let's see. Uh-oh. Yeah, that one's too hot. They're good. So I'm gonna drop the link in the description for the oysters. I can't even think, it's so good. The Lambert Oysters from the Eastern Shore. So until the next time, Y'all know what it is.